How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, project that I'm working on, it was kind of last minute, so I had to get all the pieces printed out. And I believe on the second week of the Superman movie being out, me and my friend went to go and watch it, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to be doing two characters from the movie, obviously being Superman and Krypto, because Krypto really came in clutch and pulled through for Superman when he needed him. So I got all the pieces printed out. I just gotta paint it, and then I'm going to assemble. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright everyone, you made it to the conclusion of this video. I know I'm wearing the same shirt because I actually finished everything before I did the intro and outro. But now that you got to see everything painted, put together, Superman didn't come in the right size and everything. This is my first time doing it in Lego style. But it's really fun. I got to work on each individual piece and then putting it all together afterwards was pretty good. So I had to hot glue gun one of them just so that he would stand up straight. And I left one of them on a swivel so that you can at least make him look like he's about to walk or something. And I didn't get the right hairstyle exactly. I got something close to it. The face details, I'm glad that it came out good, because usually the face details, I'm not great in doing that. Yeah, when it comes down to little details, it's always iffy when I do it. I also tried to get the abs in, but yeah, I can actually give you an up close look of it. So it's right here, and this came out really big. So yeah, it was really fun doing this. My brother enjoyed it as well. The head is loose as well, so I did make the head just a little bigger, so when it falls on, it's on a huge swivel, super loose, and if I turn it upside down and everything, it will fall off. So I don't know if I'm going to hot glue gun this down or if I'm just gonna leave it like this so I can have this, turn his head like that, which is not too bad. For the most part, I can, fly him around, stuff like that, but it's mostly for decoration. I almost forgot the cape. There's a logo on the back. I'm not sure if I got the size right. I feel like I did a little bit small, but still got it, so it's pretty cool. And then the boots right here, I got his boots and everything, his belt. And that's everything going on for Superman. So now for Krypto, this took me 3.5 tries, because the third try it got halfway done before it failed, and then I had to 3D print the other half, but it came out. So yeah, it came out good. I did not get his dog tag yet because I'm still trying to 3D print that. Actually, it's like really small, so it's hard for my printer to work around right now, so I'm trying to get that fixed. And this was the best file I could find, looking close enough to Krypto in the movie and also making him Lego form. And then I just added a cape on top of it so you can see I can give you an up close look. So there's his face detail and everything. You can see the collar, and in the back you got the red cape and everything. Which is, yeah, it's really cool. I'm glad that I got everything done. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell to be notified for more videos. And yeah, I'm excited for the next project to do. I can't wait to do more Lego style figures because, yeah, again, that was so much fun to do. Until the next time, peace out.